Hey, good day everybody. How's everyone doing? You have Lyle the Sask Shaver coming here to you for a rare midweek video. Second one in 2 weeks, I know, but I have to get through some of these challenges I've been tagged in. Thankfully I'm on a day off so I can make the time. So I've been tagged in the Zoomgroomchallenge. This is being done by Pacificshaving. My understanding is basically for every one of these challenges, or every one of these videos uploaded on YouTube with the hashtag Zoomgroomchallenge and hashtag Pacificshaving Co, I believe it was, along with, if you want to follow them on Instagram at Pacificshaving, they will donate $1 to the CDC. So that's $1 for the hashtag Zoomgroomchallenge and $1 for the follow on Instagram. So I was tagged by Josh at Shooting the Shave for this, so thanks Josh, really appreciate it. Some of these challenges are fun and this is one I can get behind. I mean, it's for charity, right? So for this, we're going to use quickly A&E Asian Plum. Haven't used this for a while. We're using the Karve Christopher Bradley C-plate solid bar with a Washcott on blade 2. I do have it all whipped up and ready to go here. So I'm just going to get some water on my face. And we'll get this applied. And just talk about the other quick rules of this, I guess. Like I said, you have to record the video showing how fast you can do a one-pass shave and time it. You have to tag and share 3 friends. So I'll get those off at the end of the video here. And then of course just tag tag the video. I'll put the instructions down below. Lots of guys have done this, which is awesome. And this will be the first time ever I've only done a one-pass shave since I was like 14. It's been about an hour and a half since I showered. So I just want to work some of this into the whiskers real quick. All right. That should be good. I can't do a one-pass shave with this, I got a problem. So for timing this, I'm going to use this. As soon as I start this button, it's one pass, how fast it takes to get it done. You can see my stopwatch there, guys. There we go, sorry. There we go. Oh. And rinse that off and we are done. Not the fastest, but it'll do. There you go, 54 seconds, basically. So, clean this off. So that was kind of cool. It's kind of fun to do. So for my tags, I'm tagging Justin, the Red Island Shaver. My turn to get you again, buddy. I am tagging Stanley at the Student Shaver. And I'm tagging Jarrett at Hanging with JT. And he's new, just got his second video up. So hopefully we can give him some love and get him some more subs too. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great week. And we'll see you on the weekend for my next video. Happy shaving.